Chebe is a natural treatment used by the women of Chad, Africa that's been used for centuries to help promote and grow longer, stronger, healthy hair. Made with 100% all natural and vegan ingredients, our butter is the only one you'll find with a smooth and creamy texture right out of the bottle. Now it's also made with amla, Indian gooseberry, argan, fenugreek, hemp, neem, tea and Ayurvedic Indian herbs, and all the original ingredients. Can be used as a moisturizer, hair protectant, deep conditioner, sealant, and even as a leave-in conditioner on wet or dry hair. Can also be used to protect your hair from breaking and shedding while wearing weaves, extensions, installs, under wigs, etc. during long-term or short-term styling. Adds moisture and shine for braid. This butter is handcrafted with 100% vegan all-natural ingredients. Exposure to heat may cause your butter to melt. Store cool to resolve this, and thereafter you may store and use as normal.